Cell division is how life grows, heals, and reproduces. But not all cell division is the same. We'll explore mitosis and meiosis, two different ways cells divide, with very different outcomes. Mitosis is how your body grows and repairs itself. It creates two identical cells from one parent cell, like making a photocopy. Mitosis has 5 stages: prophase, DNA condenses; metaphase, chromosomes line up; anaphase, chromatids separate; telophase, new nuclei form; cytokinesis, cell splits. Result: 2 diploid cells, identical to the parent. Meiosis creates sperm and egg cells. Here's the twist: it divides twice and mixes up DNA along the way. Meiosis 1, chromosomes pair up, exchange genetic material through crossing over, then separate. Meiosis 2, chromatids separate, like mitosis. Result: 4 genetically different cells with half the chromosomes. Key differences: mitosis makes 2 identical cells for growth and repair. Meiosis makes 4 unique cells for reproduction. Think: mitosis equals copy-paste, meiosis equals shuffle and split. Mitosis lets you grow from one cell to a full human. Meiosis ensures genetic diversity. Why siblings look similar but never identical. That's mitosis and meiosis explained fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.